Hi everybody, it's your girl Stephanie, and I'm continuing on with my mission to be spring and summer ready. How am I going to do that today? I'm planting seeds. I have lots of seeds. I save all of my seeds because I'm budget friendly. And I do budget friendly things, which is take the seeds from old flowers and save them so that next year I can plant them again and again and again. Teach you how to do it too. Now, I have zinnia seeds, marigold seeds in yellow and orange, and I love for them to fill my patio. So let's get to it. Today, I'm going to use some zinnia seeds. This is a zinnia blossom with the seeds in it. And I love zinnias because they can come out in so many different colors. And they just grow and grow and grow until winter hits. When it starts to die off, when it gets cold, that's when it starts to die off. And it lasts all season, and I absolutely love it. Embedded here, I can see I have a marigold seed as well. So I want zinnias in both of these planters. And so I'm just gonna break it open, rake over a little bit of dirt because I've already chopped this up. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some seeds in. Survival of the fittest. Whatever comes up, comes up. I'll be okay with it because they're so beautiful in the spring and summer. And zinnias also bunch out. And I think you'll be super happy with it. There we go. That one's done. Let's do our other. In a few weeks, you should start to see I should start to see some sprouts. I'm also going to add some zinnia seeds in this planter as well. They're going to look gorgeous when they bloom. Oftentimes I will plant a ton of seeds in an area because as they grow, I might be able to just pop up the seedling and move it to a different place in the yard. Especially if I see it's thriving and it's nice. I'll separate it and put it somewhere else in my yard so it can thrive. Now, in this pot, I'm going to just chop this up a bit. I'm also going to add in this pot, I'm going to add some marigolds. So here are my marigold pod. I'm going to open it up and there are my seeds. There they are. Marigold seeds. A lot of people like marigolds because they are listed as a insect deterrent. So I just put them all in there because you never know which ones are going to make it, which ones won't make it. But I'll plop it in there. It'll get a good rain. You don't want to bury them too deep. So I plop them in there and hope I get a nice bunch that survive and maybe fill out this pot with marigolds. That's going to be beautiful. Now here are some seedlings that I planted about maybe a week and a half ago to 2 weeks. And as you can see, I'm getting my seedlings of marigolds. And this is going to be absolutely beautiful when it is full of marigolds. And I can't wait to do an update on how the flowers look this spring. So there you have it. Collect those seeds, save those seeds so you can plant them every year. You won't regret it. If this was helpful, and I hope it was, please like and subscribe and continue to follow me on the journey. I'll see you on the next video.